After importing a media, let's go to the edit page. The workflow is from left to the right. So this is the edit page. This is like any other nonlinear editor like Premiere Pro, etc. To open a file, just double click on it and it will open up in the source panel. To select a portion, set a in and out point. To set a in point, hit the I button. Set the out point, hit the O button. To bring the clip into the timeline, drag and drop it. So the clip has come into the timeline. You can trim a clip by dragging it, move it around. If there are more than one clip, for example, if there are two clips, if you drag it, it will leave a gap. You can select this trim edit mode so that the gap is filled. If I trim now, you can see that the gap is filled. You can also bring a clip by dragging and dropping it to the program monitor. You can overwrite, replace, insert. So now the clip is overwritten. To cut a clip, select the blade tool. You can cut it into pieces. If you have the selection tool and trim the end, it will leave a gap as mentioned earlier. If you do not want to leave the gap, select the trim mode and the gap will disappear. So next thing is the inspector window. If you select a clip, it will have many properties like zoom, position, anchor point, etc. So if you change this, you can change the opacity. You can zoom in on the clip. To reset any properties, hit the button here and it will reset. The clip can also be stabilized. It has inbuilt stabilization. Let's take a look at the effects panel. So there are many types of effects. You can apply video transition. There are also effects which you can put on the video. Let's apply this Gaussian Blur. So drag and drop it. You can go to the open effects and this effect is applied. You can increase, decrease the strength